In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a GIF in Notion. Whether you are building a playful teen wiki or adding a bit of motion to a personal page, GIFs can make your content more engaging. I'll walk you through a few simple ways to add them, explain when to use each option, and share a couple of quick tips so everything displays smoothly. Start by placing your cursor on a new line in your Notion page. Type /, then the word image, and press enter. This opens the image block, which gives you 3 straightforward choices. If the GIF file already lives on your computer, choose Upload. Navigate to your file, select it, and let Notion handle the rest. Animated GIFs will display as expected once they finish uploading. If the file is large, give it a moment to process, so playback is nice and smooth. If your GIF is hosted online, in that same image block, choose Embed link. Paste the URL of the GIF into the field. Links from popular sites like Giphy usually work great. Make sure the link points to the actual GIF file, not just a web page preview. Once you paste the link, Notion will fetch and place the image right in your page. You can also pick the Giphy option inside the image block to search for and insert GIFs directly within Notion. Type a keyword like celebration or thumbs up, browse the results, and select the one you like. This is perfect when you don't have a specific file handy and want something quick and on brand without leaving your document. If you are adding GIFs to a shared workspace, choose content that's appropriate for your audience. Here is another method that's especially useful when you specifically want to embed content from a URL. On a new line, type /, then embed, and select the embed block when the field appears. Paste the URL of the GIF and click Embed link. This approach is great if the site you are using plays nicely with Notion's embed block, or if you prefer the way embedded content is framed on the page. Again, links from well-known GIF hosts usually load reliably, and public links tend to work better than private or restricted ones. That's all there is to it. Use the image block for quick uploads, link pastes, or an instant Giphy search. And use the embed block when you want to place a URL-based GIF, using Notion's dedicated embed flow. Thanks for watching.